Hey guys, so we're gonna go through some gasket sets here. I've had a couple people ask about going through gasket sets. So this is a lower gasket set, part number, what's it, Victor Ryan's part number. The Victor Ryan's part number is 08-10128-0, and then the model part number is CS4068. A little hacker open here. Might be something funky in this one, because there was something funky in a couple other ones. And there is in this one too. It is. So something that's funky that I've never seen before in this, which I don't understand why. It has an LS head gasket in it. This is a lower end gasket set for a Cummins. And the funny part about this is if you guys look up here, see those two sets right there? Here's two more LS head gaskets. So I've never had that happen before, but anyways, so I got 3 head gaskets. Not sure what there are for LS motors, but anyways, let's go through this, see if there's anything else funky in here. So with this gasket set, you are going to get, these are your oil squirters, big oil squirters for intercooled 12 valves. These are Tappa cover seals. There is more than one style though. But anyways, this is one style. I get the lid to stay open for me. Yeah. Now, take in consideration, these gasket sets are designed for industrial use as well. So this goes around the outside of your rear housing, rear main seal housing. And it's supposed to be an insulation anti-vibration piece is what that's supposed to be for. So it literally goes around the housing. You don't usually see them on there, but that's what it's actually for. It goes like that. Anyways, so go through this. This is a VE timing gasket for your injection pump, or injection pump gasket, I guess you should call it. This is your water inlet gasket. No, it's not spare. I just can't think what it is. This one is for your, is a gasket for your barring tool hole, or your, sorry, not your barring tool hole, your sight hole, so that you can get in for taking torque converter bolts out. Nobody ever uses them, but that's what it's for.
Another one for your vacuum pump?
No, it's too small for the vacuum pump. The vacuum pump's underneath, but I can't think what it's for. Actually, it has a part number. Can you Google that part number? This one is for your pickup tube for your oil. This one is for your fuel pump. Some of these kits, depending on, some of these kits will come with 2 of these, because technically you do need 2 of these, but depending on what the kit was ordered for. And then these are the Tappa cover gaskets. There's 2 styles, because there's 2 different styles of them. So this style, and then there's this style. This is the style I like using. This is for an EGR valve, which most people don't have. And then there's a few assorted O-rings that I honestly don't know. I've never used them, yet never used them. They obviously are for something in there. Actually, this one, I believe that right there is for the timing pin to tell top dead center. And then there's a couple square cut O-rings. If you guys know what these are for, I honestly don't know what these are for. Could be an industrial application. And then same with these ones. This one is your water pump gasket. And then this one is for an industrial application there again. And then these are the oil squirters I was talking about. So that's a non-intercooled, and this is an intercooled. Or actually, is it turboed? Oh no, it's turboed. So this, sorry, I shouldn't have said intercooled or non-intercooled. So this is non-turbo and this is turbo. So next one is rear main seal is in this box here. And these come with the install tool, which is nice. Front main seal with a speedy sleeve. This is your oil cooler gasket. This is the one that goes on the inside that actually seals the block to the oil cooler. And then a bunch of other stuff. So there's two styles of these gaskets, which is your oil cooler or oil filter housing. Depending on which style you have. This is, you know, I will do a video on the difference between the two, just so you guys know. Rear main seal housing. This is for front accessory drive, depending if it's a different style. There's two styles. So this is one, so basically vacuum pump, or if it has a hydraulic unit on it, then we'll use that one, or an air compressor. Front gasket, so your timing cover gasket, there is two of them.
That's what comes up as.
So this one is for VE, and then this one is for the P pump, which personally I don't use these. I use case sealant, but that's what they're for. So the VE one and the P pump one. This one is the timing case gasket. This one, timing case gasket. There again, I don't use that. I use case sealant. And then your oil pan gasket is in the very bottom. Now sometimes depending on the kit, sometimes these will actually be folded, and then they're folded around a piece of tubing, which I don't like because they like to crack when they do that. And that's the kit in that. So that's the lower end kit. Not really rocket science. You know, you just, you know, pay attention to the gaskets that you're taking out, so that you can replace them with the gaskets that you need. And that pretty much sums that up as far as I'm concerned. So that's the lower kit, and I'm going to do the upper kit right now, but it'll be in a different video. So anyways, like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments if you got any questions, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.